Welcome to Manipal Academy of Higher Education, a lively education hub where careers are made, dreams are achieved, and education truly experienced. Spread over 600 acres of land, Manipal Academy of Higher Education is established near the temple town of Udupi in the state of Karnataka. The calm and quiet coastal Karnataka makes Manipal Academy of Higher Education a perfect home for young minds to grow and think creatively. With the mission of being the most preferred choice of students, faculty and industry alike, we at Manipal Academy of Higher Education offer 277 career-centric courses across 20 diverse disciplines.
Guys, welcome back to the channel and I hope you guys are doing absolutely well. So basically today is my new video on Manipal University. As Manipal University has released its application for 2021 batches, I'm going to share few of the detail why Manipal and whether Manipal is a good choice for you or not. So first of all, I would like to tell you about Manipal University. It is one of the oldest private university right now in India. Comparing it with the other private university, it's quite good. The company footfall are quite high over there, and the working environment or the student environment or kind of the education over there is awesome, because basically the education, the environment totally depend upon the how what is their intake, the kind of students they are taking, because as you know, the education or the output somehow depends upon the input factor, because if output is because output is somehow indirectly proportional to the input. So if you're talking about the Manipal definitely take a student or a good variant of student in their main campus, that is situated in Udupi. So if I'm talking about Manipal ADU, you can just have a look to the Udupi campus. I will be briefing about what are the benefits, what are the demerits of Manipal University, what are the merits. वैसे मैं अगर बात करूँ मणिपाल की, तो मणिपाल में means if you are opting for a private university after you're not getting any of the NITs, IITs, state colleges and beyond that, I will suggest you can close your eyes and take in Manipal University, because the kind of, if you are getting Manipal University with a decent branch, if you are thinking to, means if you are pursuing some of the interest like CSC ले लो भाई, EC लेना है, मेरे को ये करना है, मेरे को ऐसे proceed करना अपने लाइफ में आगे, I will suggest you can go for Manipal University, क्योंकि Manipal University is a good platform. It is definitely going to give you lots of opportunity at इट्स कैंपस, मीन्स की कैंपस वाइज अगर प्लेसमेंट्स की बात करें तो बिग कंपनीज भी वहाँ आती है, काइंड ऑफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द फॉर्च्यून्स कंपनी लाइक माइक्रोसॉफ्ट, BlackRock. Beyond that, if you're talking about the consulting firm, all the consulting firm like ZS Associates, KPMG, Deloitte, PwC and beyond that, all the सारी कंपनीज आती है. बाकी सर्विस इंडस्ट्री की बात करें तो कहना ही नहीं है. All the service industry is also reaching out to the Manipal for their campus drive. After that, if you are talking about the student culture, it's quite awesome. You can have a look. You can just have an idea. I'm sharing this experience from my friends' review, because many of my friends are studying in Manipal right now. So I got to get few reviews, and if I'm after the 12th, I know the person who got selected in Manipal University in recent branches are quite good. It's not like that anyone is studying in Manipal University. So if you have no choice, I can definitely, and you are opting for in private and you are getting in first choice, I will suggest you go for Manipal University. That is in Udupi if you are getting a main campus. After that, I will be also talking about the Jaipur campus, because the name and the fame is, yes, means at par, I can say it is quite awesome. I will show you the few process that how you can apply to the Manipal University. I'm giving you the also giving the link in the description box. You can just go over there and move forward with the process that I've told you. Just move forward to my computer screen. I will be showing you how you can apply for Manipal University. Hello, welcome guys to the new tutorial to that how you can apply for Manipal University for the application of 2021. So basically Manipal University ने अपने एडमिशन की रजिस्ट्रेशन फॉर्म ओपन कर चुके हैं फॉर 2021 बैच, मीन्स दोज हु आर टेकन ड्रॉप इन 2020 ईयर और दोज हु आर currently will be passing in 2021, and those who want to appear in Manipal UAT for the different courses. The course is not only restricted to BTech, it is having a different domain. You can just have a look in the Manipal website. So what you can do, just in the Google, you can type apply.manipal.edu. You will be redirected to this page that is for online application 2021 for Manipal batch. Now what you have to do, the application fees this time for the Indian candidate is for rupees 20,000 to 2,000. And for foreign applicant, it is around 2,500. So you can just see what is the process in order to register for Manipal University. First of all, you have to just register in this page. You have to provide your name, email address, mobile number, state, city, program level you are applying from, stream program,
and the capture code. After the registration is complete, you will receive a link in your mail ID. So what you can do, you can just go to your mail ID and confirm your registration process and verify your emails by OTP. So I'm just showing you the process how you can move forward for the Manipal online application form. So just suppose I'm putting my name, I'm putting my email ID. Okay. Now I'm just trying to put my phone number over here, 9693512951. Jharkhand Ranchi program I'm applying for. Suppose I'm applying for undergraduate engineering. We want to apply for BTech or certain undergraduate program like BCom, BSc, some suppose like that, BBA, BCA. I'm going to show you what are under the undergraduate part. You can just have a look: engineering, health science, architecture, commerce, design, humanities, language, life sciences, management, media and communication, nursing, and pharmacy. So you can just have a look. You can choose as many of the people might be applying for engineering domain. I am showing you with this example, engineering, and just put a captcha code after that. As you will put the captcha code, you will be redirected to the next page. I'm showing you. BTech. Okay. Now they have given you a notification that we have sent a verification link at my mail ID. Kindly check the to complete the process. Okay. So now I'm going to the mail ID and just whether I receive. Yeah. So here I received a mail from Manipal Academy of Higher Education. Now I will just validate my email ID. Okay. So you can just have a look. What you can do after going to your mail ID, you will receive a link over there. You just have to apply with certain in your BTech as you are from Indian or you're from NRI department. You just have to go through BTech general category and apply now. So you can just have a look. Subcategory general. Okay, and next. Yeah, you have to just put your personal detail like name, gender, date of birth, mobile number, email ID, nationality, photograph, and your signature. You just have to scan your photograph and signature and put it over here and save and move forward with the application. After the application detail will be completed, you just have to, they will redirect you to the next page, that is parents or guardian detail. There you have to fill the certain criteria of parents and guardian. After that, you just save the details and move forward with the address detail. And after that, you just go to the program selection section. Over there, you select your program like BTech Engineering, and similarly what you want. There are different courses offered by Manipal, and as this will be completed, you will be sent to a declaration page where you have to just accept certain norms and criteria, and next page will be a payment. There you have to pay rupees 22,000 for the application form. An examination will be held, I think, after the 2 to 3 months. You just have to be updated on your email ID for this. They will send you the complete detail about your examination center, whether it will be a web proctored because of the coronavirus, I don't know. But as in the normal situation, it used to be a center based test where you have to go and sit in a computer based test, it's kind of, and give a multiple choice answer of certain 100 question. I think they ask 100 or 110 questions from physics, chemistry, maths, and some reasoning English kind of stuff. So just go, prepare well, and yeah, it's the question level is not quite tough as if you are comparing with JE. It's really low from that, but yes, many people are applying for Manipal too, so the competition become a little bit tough if you are aiming for an higher branches main center. But yeah, it's not tough if you're comparing with it JE mains advanced or something like that. You can easily score over here if you're having a basic concept of all the things that you have read in 11th 12th and basic English reasoning skills. You can definitely get a good and decent brand in Manipal Academy of Higher Education. So I'm continuing about the college review soon. Just go over there and have a look to it.
So basically, I've shown you that how you can apply for Manipal admission process 2021. So basically, who are eligible, the person who are having more than 60% in 10th and 12th. After that, he is 2020 pass out, 19 pass out, and 21 pass out, or the appearing board examination student are eligible for Manipal एडमिशन ड्राइव्स. ओके, नाउ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द कॉलेजेस, अबाउट द फीस. तो टॉकिंग अबाउट द फीस, यहाँ वीआईटी के टाइप कोई भी कैटेगरी फीस नहीं है. You have to just be there. The admission process is quite restricted only to the rank you scored. There is no category, just like VIT, that if you are not getting in certain branch in certain rank, you can just move your category up. यहाँ पे क्या है कि एक ही फीस है. If you are getting under that rank, you will definitely get that branch, and after that, if you are not getting, you are not going to get that. Okay, you have to just move down in your nearest branch, means nearest preferable branch. You can just go. Talking about the fees is quite high, is around 20-25 lakhs. 20 lakh to 25 lakhs for your 4-year duration of engineering. Other courses I will be comparing it in the further videos. Now right now I'm talking about the BTech. It's okay, so you can just have a look, you can just apply with that, you can just apply on my link that I have been provided in the description box. After that, talking about the Manipal, यार मणिपाल की अगर वर्क लाइफ मतलब की लाइफ के बारे में बात करें तो इट्स क्वाइट मतलब क्या बोलूं, क्वाइट गुड. इट इज सिचुएटेड नियर द सी. यू कैन हैव अ फनी वीकेंड मतलब मस्तिष्क भी काफी है कॉलेज में, साथ में सीखने का भी बहुत है. अभी तो मैं बस एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म की लिंक दे रहा हूँ, आप लोग एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म को अप्लाई करें, जाके हमारे एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म को अप्लाई करें. एंड इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट रिगार्डिंग मणिपाल यूनिवर्सिटी एप्लीकेशन प्रोसेस, यू कैन जस्ट पुट योर डाउट इन द गूगल फॉर्म दैट आई हैव बीन प्रोवाइडेड इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. आई विल बी रीचिंग आउट टू यू थ्रू योर मेल आईडी एंड विल बी गिविंग यू द रफ आइडिया दैट हाउ यू कैन move forward with the Manipal University application form. There are few tips and tricks that I will going to share in the further video. Right now it is for application. You can have a great review from my side, from 100% genuine review from telling about that Manipal University is quite good university. You can have an admission. It's no regret for that. The thing is that the fee is quite high, but yeah, you are definitely going to get a lot of exposure in Manipal University. After the company footfall, if you are thinking for a campus placement drive, is quite good. So go in the description box, click on the link given below and सेलेक्ट फॉर मणिपाल यूनिवर्सिटी, अप्लाई फॉर मणिपाल यूनिवर्सिटी. एंड या मैं होप करता हूँ आप लोग अच्छे से पढ़ें लिखें और IIT JEE मेंस गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज को क्रैक करें. और उसके बाद अगर ये नहीं होता तो देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटी ओपन फॉर यू ऑल. जस्ट go on the description box, fill out the form and reach out to me. Thank you. This video was kind of sponsored by our education Salankar. And if you like our video, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up and like my channel. Also subscribe my channel for more updates regarding the college, university, jobs, placement and all. Also share this channel with your friends so that they can subscribe to get updated with the new engineering college updates and beyond that. So thank you. और अभी तक अगर वीडियो में यहाँ तक पहुँच गया तो लाइक करना मत भूलना.